This is a car that my homeboy about to buy. He about to fix it up and resell it.
I just want to make sure it don't break down on the way, man, because that's the last thing I need.
Yeah, no.
Sound good, y'all. I mean, not for me. I like all muscle. This part got a hole of the muffler. All you just need to, cut that pipe and just put a new one on there. That's all it is. Y'all see it? This is a car review. This is C230 Mercedes. It's pretty good. It just probably got a hole in the muffler. Yeah. Or that Cadillac converter bag.
One of
It need a good detail work. That's what I'm gonna do. Huh? Need a deep detail. That's what I'm gonna do. The detail work. How you pop. This shit up. How you pop the hood?
Huh?
How you pop the hood?
Pop the hood?
I don't know, where's it at? It's pretty clean. I said pretty, not organized. That's about it, y'all. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, Mercedes got, I think, under 2,000 miles on it. It looked pretty decent. Look pretty decent. It needs some work on it, but that's all it is. Hot. Stay tuned for another video. Car shows, reviews, I'm doing it all. I'm doing it